What's up YouTube, this is SightterYgO and this is actually 2 o'clock in the morning and I just came back from the Nationals in Slovenia and I did a coverage there and I got these booster packs that I just wanted to open for you. I don't know when this video is going to get out, but probably not very soon because I do want to get other videos out, you know, all the rounds. There are 7 Swiss rounds and the top 8, so I'm just gonna open these. I don't know how much will you hear me because I have someone else's camera. This was the same camera that I recorded the coverage, so thank you very much, Micha Flisk. He lended the camera, so let's open the shit, the shits. Just the rare. Another rare. I can feel it in this one. Nope. Oh, breaker. I am actually hoping for 2 foils, but one will be satisfying, so yes. Duelist Alliance. Oh, here's a foil. Hypno Sister and a Perform Pal Whip Viper. I'm almost halfway through. I am hoping for at least one more foil. Rare. Oh, Lancia. Altair. Okay, we got 3 more packs. Whoa, we got an ultimate. We got an ultimate. And oh, awesome! We got Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon. Awesome. I actually wanted this card so bad in its first edition. Wow. That's amazing. I actually got what I needed. Amazing. Odd Eyes Pendulum Dragon. Yes. How lucky am I? Oh, Cloud Castle. Whoop. Whoa, the neb! I can't. What? Wow, the neb. This is amazing. This is. I actually just wanted to see which Burning Abyss was. I didn't even saw the neb. Oh my god. This is such an amazing. And I'll probably be keeping them. I don't know. So let's see, our last pack. Probably nothing, yeah. But I don't care. It's nice. It's Skarm. I needed Skarm. I actually managed to pull 3 foils out of the 9 packs, an ultimate, ultra and a super rare. I mean, wow. amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and that's that. And let me just tell me in the comments below, what do you think of the coverage that I did in the Nationals? You do that. Bye bye.